Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS SES for email sending, complete guide step by step clearly. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SES dashboard. Select the region where you want to enable SES. Click on Get Started to initiate the setup process. Verify your email address to ensure you can send emails. In the left sidebar, click on Email Addresses under the Identity Management section. Select Verify a new email address. Enter the email address you want to verify and click Verify this email address. Click on the link in the email to complete the verification. Once verified, return to the SES dashboard. Next, navigate to the Sending Authorizations section. Click on SMTP Settings to create SMTP credentials. Select Create My SMTP Credentials. In the IM console that opens, choose a username for your credentials and click Create. Now, let's configure the sending limits. You might need to request production access if you're in the SES Sandbox environment. Go back to the SES dashboard and click on Service Quotas. Click Request Quotas Increase to submit your production access request. In your request, specify the necessary details such as sending limits and regions. Submit the request and wait for AWS to process it. While waiting, you can set up your email sending application. Use your SMTP credentials in your application to send emails. Check your SES dashboard regularly for monitoring and tracking email statistics. Once everything is set up, you are now ready to start sending emails through AWS SES. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.